With Notion, we can create entire CRMs, fully functional project management systems, and much more. So it should be no surprise that we can create even social media planners or schedulers. For one of our clients, we also manage their branding for Instagram and Facebook. We needed a way to clearly communicate with the client to show the content we created, get approvals and feedback, and set up the schedules for each post. This is why we created the social media planning tool. On the left side, we have the name of the post, then the due date of when it should be posted, followed by the stage it's currently in, with the options including to do, in progress, done, and approved. Finally, we have the type of post of which would be specific for every client. So in this case, we had award, testimonial, event, and sold listing. So let's set up and plan a post. First, we would select the post template that we created. We can click on new, followed by the new post template. This will generate the template. We have to make sure we give the post a name. Let's name it Demo Post 1. We would then write the text for the post. So let's replace this text with some dummy text. This is then followed by uploading the images for the post. So we head on over here, we can click on this, click on upload the file. Now to simplify this, I'll actually be using Unsplash photos. So we can click here, select this one, give it a second to load. If we want to add more images, we simply need to click on this and then upload some more images. Now we can head back to the main area of the tool and set the date it will be published, the stage, and the type. So let's set the publish date to tomorrow. We can set the stage to done. The type, let's just make it an award. Since the stage is now set to done, our client will then review the post and leave feedback in the comment section. So let's open up the post and then head on over to the comment section. This is where the client will leave a comment. For example, please crop the first image. We would then get a notification and see this comment. Once the picture has been edited and updated, we can then notify the client that the task has been complete. The image has been cropped. And we can resolve the client's comment. Once the client has finished reviewing the post, the stage can then be set to approved. So if we head back to the tool, change the stage to approved, and when the due date arrives, we would then upload the post to the social media platform manually. It's important to know that we can set this up to be done automatically with a few integrations. However, this is beyond the scope of the project for this client. If you'd like something similar to this, feel free to reach out, book a call, and we can take a look at what exactly you need.